So all of these are designed to give clearance to Remulla, yang hindi pagdakit, pag-retroactive, pag-defer ni Kiko Panghilinan. Then yung sinasabi ni Remulla, can you imagine the mentality? Ito yung gagawin yung ombudsman. Sabi niya, hindi daw nag-a-apply. Yung constitutional provision, pwede daw i-disregard ng Malacanang na hindi galing sa shortlist o pabuksan ulit yung shortlist. Mrs. Gloria Macapagal Arroyo tried to do that during her time. The JBC pushed back, and in fairness to Mrs. Arroyo, she did not insist because it's unconstitutional. So lahat po ito ay ginagawa para maging ombudsman si Boying Remulla. For the first time, magkakaroon ng ombudsman na politiko na nag-serve under a president na politically compromised ang kanyang integrity at ang kanyang ang kanyang impartiality. Hindi po, kita niyo yung mga list ng ombudsman, may politiko ba dyan? Wala. Former justices, career officials, sina JBL Reyes, sina Justice Martires,